they have family temple, they have north building and west building and east pavilion. This is the same. Everywhere the same, okay? Sometimes the size is more bigger and smaller. This is our special temple to the family member to pray every day to our friend God and to our ancestor. Yeah, this is our family temple. We do also some ceremony every day, small simple ceremony with the canang, you know canang, small offering. Yeah, you can see like like that. Sometimes we put the offering in the shrine, sometimes we put the offering in the bottom. This is between goodness and badness. We also have the ceremony every 210 days according to our Balinese calendar. And then we have a ceremony. This is Adu very special offering. Okay? To keep the rice.
So this is where
after
they
the
keep rice
the
after harvest. Okay.
Yeah, because this is very important also from my grandfather. So when the red or moss come up, it's not possible, they fall down. Not possible to come in to eat our rice.
Oh, I see.
This is very important thing. And then we also have the ceremony for the rice. This is our offering from the coconut leaves, and we put some flowers. We put the ceremony because we are very important, very respectful with the rice. Our life is rice. Morning rice, afternoon rice is dinner rice. Okay? With my children, this is the right side is my uncle with his family. This is my father with my brother. This is my uncle with his family. My uncle with his family. My uncle with his family.
Oh wow! You guys all stick together, huh?
Because now I look empty. Maybe later my husband and and then we also have the this is my son belongs to the bird because they have not doing together.
Hello, how are you?
But when we have the ceremony, we do together, okay? Because so many people, because 25 people, it's very hard to organize. But only when we have ceremony, we do together. So you want one couple that have on the kitchen, on the this is like me, this is my room, this is my kitchen here. Yeah. Okay. This is my uncle, this is his room. In the back side, this is his kitchen. You understand? Huh? This is our life in the village. Yeah, we live in the compound, in one family. This is from our ancestors.
Is this spread over generations?
Yeah, from the years passed down. From the generation. Yeah. I just continue.
So you're the last generation?
So this is Uncle Pig, and this is his pig. You're very cute. You're so much cleaner pig. Yeah. Bye, cutie. Where's the piglets?
Yeah, there's a baby one.
Oh, are you so cute? Are you barking?
Yeah.
Yes.
You see?
Are you a good pig? Yes, you are. What's the name?
No name.
No
just
name,
piggy.
just a pig.
Piggy.
Okay.
Okay, you can touch. You can touch.
Hello, Peppa.
Yeah.
Your name will be Peppa.
Mama,
Pig.
not Papa.
No, Peppa. It's
Oh
a
yeah, Papa.
cartoon about Peppa
Yeah.
Pig. Oh,
Yeah.
that one is so cute. They're big.
This is already having babies 2 times. This
Yeah.
is
Okay, who's feeling like a coconut today? I'm a coconut. Hey. you lost your hat. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Flew right up.